Hey everyone, welcome to Food Menu channel. Today my special recipe Palak puree and tomato aloo curry. Take one small bunch of palak, remove hard stem, then wash well 2 times, then transfer to mixie jar. Add 3 green chili, 1 inch ginger, grind fine paste. If water required, you can add little water. Then take 1 cup of Subzi, 2 cups of water, and half teaspoon of salt, mix well, and add palak juice to water. Then prepare the chapati or puri dough. If it is watery, you can add a little more water. Finally, add 1 teaspoon of oil. Apply to entire dough. Then keep aside for 15 minutes. Meantime, we will prepare the curry. Take a kadai, add 1 tablespoon of oil, then 1 teaspoon cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon mustard seeds, 1 red chili, 1 tablespoon ginger, and 1 tablespoon chopped garlic. Once fried, then add 4 chopped tomatoes and add salt. Tomato will release the water. It will cook fastly. After putting the salt, add all masalas, turmeric powder, coriander powder, cumin powder, chili powder, and garam masala. This is a very easy curry. Start 1 or 2 minutes. The masalas will fry. It will turn to aromatic fragrance. Now add boiled potato 200 grams. I already boiled and crushed potato. Add 1 cup of hot water. Then cook 4 to 5 minutes. Our curry is ready now. It is very simple. Finally, you can add coriander. If you have spring onion, you can add spring onions. Chop nicely, then add it. Keep aside. Now we will prepare the puri. The dough soaked well. It's very softy. Roll the puri. Then high flame fry the puri. It's healthy and for digestion we will add ginger. For taste I added green chili. Fry all the puris. The combination of palak and potato is very nice. Try it once. You will surprise. Now serve with little salad. Sprinkle some coriander on top of the curry. Our puri is very puffed. Enjoy your day with palak puree and Tamatar aloo curry with a salad. If you like my video, please subscribe my channel for more delicious videos. Thank you for watching.